kabiped, it's Janice Abransosa nga po pala ng AP15. This video is an academic fulfillment purpose of this subject, building and enhancing new literacy across the curriculum. This year, we've seen the different crises like floods, storm, volcanic eruption, and now we're facing the new crisis, the coronavirus, or also known as the novel SARS-CoV-2. All people ask themselves, where did the virus came from?
A bat? Or any wild species? Or from the market of Wuhan, China?
Through this video, we will be able to know its scientific nature and origin.
The novel SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus that arises in the city of Wuhan, China, and has caused the COVID-19 pandemic, spreading to 170 countries and regions, is the product of natural evolution.
Shortly after the epidemic began, Chinese scientists sequenced the genome of SARS-CoV-2 and made the data available to researchers worldwide.
The sequence data showed that the number of COVID-19 cases increased because of human-to-human transmission after a single introduction into the human population. Anderson PhD said that by comparing the available genome sequence data for non-coronavirus strains, we can firmly determine that the SARS-CoV-2 originated through natural process.